Honey and onion, a natural remedy for coughing up. Recipe. Here's a simple recipe for a honey and onion syrup that is often used to help soothe coughs and sore throats. Ingredients. 1 medium-sized onion. 1 cup of honey, preferably raw or organic. Instructions. Peel the onion and chop it into small pieces or thin slices. In a clean glass jar or container, alternate layers of chopped onion and honey. Close the jar tightly with a lid. Let the mixture sit at room temperature for at least 8 to 12 hours, or overnight. During this time, the honey will draw out the natural juices and properties of the onion. After the resting period, strain the mixture through a fine sieve or cheesecloth to separate the liquid from the onion pieces. You can discard the onion pieces as they have already done their job. The resulting liquid is your honey and onion syrup. Usage. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of the syrup as needed to soothe coughs or relieve sore throat symptoms. It can be taken on its own or mixed with warm water or herbal tea. If you have a severe or persistent condition, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Additionally, some individuals may have allergies or sensitivities to onions or honey, so use caution if you are trying this recipe for the first time.